Video.
Stop it again.
Video. Try again. You almost got it.
I just heard a yank. Let's just fucking shovel this shit. Yeah, hold on. Start shoveling out the front more. Yeah. The back out. Gotta get that stuff around the back.
Stay up tonight riding on it. Good have tires over in the mountains, they never do that.
I think we're gonna have to celebrate that vacant lot over there. Yeah, with summer tires on, sure. And then get stuck again. We ain't coming back.
They fall summer tires too, by the way.
That's great.
It's all-wheel drive, that's the only thing that fucking saves me.
Alright, that was good.
Hold on.
Hold on, Bob.
Let's see it.
Yep. Oh boy.
What the heck? Did you break a rev engine?
Hold up, Nick. Hold up. Might be able to just get out that way.
Yeah.
Don't pull forward. You're still on that chain, though. Yeah, but you're still on this chain. You don't want to pull forward. Okay. Hold on. Here you go. I'll leave the chain hooked on just in case you need to keep on pulling, but.
Yep.
Yeah, you're unhooked. Yeah, came right out.
That's
Yep.
This fucker could have backed out of it.